Hey, my friend. You said, Amira, I get very angry and furious. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Amira, I get very angry and furious. I have to say that these two completely different. How? Many wounds from the past have come to you. These furious angers, if you want to tell anger, remain in your being. Furious is emotional, various thoughts with feelings, that have been suppressed and you have accumulated that all inside you. Unexpressed discomforts, feelings that have not been shown, never, since childhood, a long, long time ago. Internal discomforts that have not been treated. It is as you have imprisoned yourself. When something happens and you do not know why you explode, you didn't explode because of those moments. If you observe that situation, those moments, you can't control it at all. That explosion is beyond your control and your will. It doesn't make sense at all. That's why I always say, express your feelings. Don't suppress your feelings. Don't hide them, because you'll be hurt badly. Okay? This is furious. Now, what is anger? Being angry is about the moment something happened to you. That moment, it happens and you think about it. You keep thinking, and repeating to yourself. And dear Unique, you make you angry with your thoughts because of that moment. Not a long time ago, because of that moment. And you're determining that this should happen this way or that way, or someone shouldn't have behaved this way. They should have behaved another way, etc. So you make yourself angry with your thoughts because you're repeating them again and again and again, and you make yourself angry. So this is anger, about a moment. Furious and anger, completely different. Okay? So what you should do, you have to go and investigate so many different feelings. Yeah, there are so many different feelings you can discover, you can get to know, you can investigate to get to know yourself better. Okay? What do you think? Write a comment for me, dear Unique, and always remember there's only one you. You cannot take someone else's place, no one can take your place. And focus on yourself, focus on your energies to achieve your dreams. Okay? Love you. Bye.